Claude Code can generate video now, and it's actually really good. This week, Remotion dropped a set of skills that allow you to create videos directly from Claude Code by simply prompting. And crazy enough, that was the first iteration, and it was free 99 to make. This is another one that Remotion created for me for an NFL update, and it pulled images from the internet and some player images and made all the edits accordingly. I'm not just going to sit here and keep showing off and gatekeeping this information. I'm going to show you what it actually does, how to set it up, and how to use it for yourself. Essentially, all it's doing is creating a React video for you inside of Claude Code and then pull it open locally for you in its own editor where you can actually pull it, render it, and download it to use it for whatever video you're creating. And cool enough, each video is custom coded. And every time you want to make an update, you don't have to go ahead and create a brand new video. You could just screenshot it and tell it, hey, look, I need this part updated. Or, hey, Claude, what are some suggestions that you think I can make to make this video better? You can pick accordingly and ask it to make those updates. This is the beautiful company behind the scenes making this all possible for us. And what I'm going to do is pull open the commands that you're going to need in order to make this possible inside of your terminal. And both of these commands are going to be below in the description, so don't you worry. You're going to pull this command and you're going to post it inside of your terminal. You're going to go along the process and just agree to everything. I already have it downloaded, but it's going to go ahead and ask me where I'm using it. I'm going to download the Claude Code skills. I would choose to globally install it. Just choose the recommended method and then just choose yes with the installation. You're going to want to install the find skills here and then you're done. If inside your terminal it's asking you what you're using it on, VS Code, cursor, etc., just choose your options accordingly. And I already created a video here, so I have a My Video folder, and then I have Claude, I have rules, and then I have all the skills here. So what we're doing here with this command is essentially grabbing all of the awesome skills and markdown files that Remotion has graciously given us. Instead of having to create all these different prompts and whatever using ChatGPT, we're just going to use what they give us to create quality videos. And secondly, you're just going to take this mpx command here, the same one that's on the main website to create the video. We're going to plug that in here. And then you have all these options because really, like I said, Remotion is just going to allow you to use Claude Code to create custom coded videos. But in this case, we're just going to choose blank. And I already have a directory. It's probably going to say there's already one existing. So you can name it whatever you want. Just go through that process. All right, and then notice up here, I went ahead and I just created one. I called it example, and then it asked me a few questions. I just clicked yes for each. And then down below, it's going to give me some commands that I could put here. But don't worry about those custom commands because Claude's intelligent and we'll ask it to use Remotion and its skills to create a video for us. And when I created that folder, all I did was drag it over so I can put the folder here. And I said, hey, Claude, can we open Remotion and create a video in that folder? And notice how I put on plan mode so I can get a decent generation in my first go at it. It's going to ask me some questions. That way we can get something solid. And I do a lot of social media content, so I said, let's create something for a TikTok reel. It'll go ahead, look through the folder, and help you figure out what's going on. Anything you're unclear on, as you know, in all of your other projects using Claude Code, you can chat with it and ask it questions about these things. Maybe even open up another terminal, boot up Claude, and ask questions about what's going on. In this case, it's going to be a 9x16 vertical sample demo text. I'm going to submit my answers, and I'm going to reopen this. It's probably going to give me another local host, or it might put it in here for me. And I'm going to do Shift-Tab over here, and I'm going to go back to bypass permissions so it can actually execute now on my next prompt. Okay, then I'm going to say yes and bypass permissions. And while that's going on, I just want to get some things clear with you guys. Now, will this replace video editors immediately? Will this put tons and tons of people out of work? Not right now at its current stage, but for somebody who doesn't have a background in video editing or movie production, this is going to be a perfect tool for someone like yourself. Instead of spending a couple hours trying to create something from scratch, just pull open Claude, ask it to use Remotion, and generate what you want. And keep chatting back and forth until it's something beautiful and that'll fit for what you're trying to create. All right, so I pull up an error, and I'm just going to go ahead and screenshot this, but it did create it. Okay, so it fixed it, and it doesn't have any logos or anything there special, but it gave me a solid base that I can start with, and I can ask it to create a bigger title. I can ask it to find the logo for Remotion. I could even ask it to go on Google Chrome with the -- Chrome and the Claude extension on Chrome to find the images for me if I wanted to do a deep search. But as you can see here, this is the one that I created for the beginning of this video. This is another one that I asked it to create for one of my SaaS products. And it literally just went on my website, crawled, and found all the information about the product that I built. And what I'm probably going to have to do is feed it the logo so that it has it, it can edit it. And then if I do really want to use it, I just have to go make the edits that I deem worthy. Heck, I even try to have it make a Dragon Ball Super for the new season that's going to be released. And it was actually crawling the internet before I stopped it to find images of Goku and some of the other anime characters. So this is a pretty robust solution, guys. And when you find a piece that you really like, you can go ahead and click render and then download the video and splice it up on a video editor as you need. And on the right side here, there's going to be some different folders for Claude, Codex, and Cursor. If you're just using Claude, you can delete the Codex folder or the Cursor folder and the Gemini folder. And if I wanted to add the Remotion logo, for example, like on the other one that I created for my SaaS product, I can just search this up. Maybe there's a logo here, or I could just go to Google and search up Remotion logo. Something like this will pop up. I save the image. I'd save it in a folder on my desktop or downloads, and then I would just reference where that file is to Claude here, ask it to use it for the video. It would pull it and then make the edits accordingly for the example video that we created here. And that's Remotion on Claude Code. I felt the importance of making this video because there's so many small content creators that are spending so much time trying to create all these different types of B-roll videos, and this is just going to save everybody so much time, and it's only going to get better and better and better. And if you guys aren't already a part of my school community, I have a free community down in the description below as well, where you saw some of the commands I added. We do also offer a premium and VIP upgrade that is paid, but you guys don't have to choose it. It's just something where if you guys want to have a little bit more exclusive access and some of the exclusive courses that we have for building a SaaS product, your agency, or just personally building up your skill sets alongside us, you can choose those. But I really hope you got the value you were seeking when you clicked on this video. Leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Take care.